Hello guys, welcome to Prabh Sandhu Certified Trainer. Today I'm going to show you the best breakfast for fat loss and muscle gain at the same time. I was eating, so I thought why not to share it with you. Let's get started. Here we have oats. I put it in. Let me see how much it's going in. We have around, I usually take around 70 grams of protein oats. 66, 72. So yeah, we have 72 grams. I didn't realize that my shadow is coming. Yeah, I have added 72 grams of oats, and now I will add whey protein. And usually I take 1.5 scoop. So we've got, yeah, we have got 52 grams of whey protein. So this is how it's looking after adding whey protein. So it's 156 grams right now. Now I'm gonna add the most favorite ingredient of my in this. Just wait and see. So this is cashews. I don't generally count how much cashews I add. Oh, I have a mix of walnuts as well in it. And we have some almonds, and now I'm gonna add some walnuts. I like to eat walnuts. Now the best part is you have to stir it, because if I directly put water on it, the protein powder will get lumps, like form a solid bowl type fixture. So you have to mix it with the spoon first before putting any water in it. Now like this I have to do. Once I see like most of the part is mixed with the oats, then you can stop. Now we have to add bananas. These are small bananas. If you have like medium or large banana, you can just add one, but I have small bananas, so I'm gonna add two in it. Just like that, very quick. Now I'm gonna cut it into pieces so that it's become easy when I have to eat them. Just like that. If you want to mix it, then you can, otherwise there is no issue. If you will not mix it, and also it will gonna settle down when you'll put hot water in it. So last and final step is, hold on one sec. I was I was boiling water side by side. Now I have to stir it so that everything gets dissolved and mixes well. You can add water if you like to eat like fluid. If you like to eat it in a like liquid state, like more of a liquid, you can add more water. I like to eat like a solid thing. I don't like to add more water in it. I just like to have a little solid feelings. Like I'm eating, I'm not drinking it. That's why I don't like to add more water in it. So here you go. So our meal is prepared, and I can't say anything more. It's very delicious. It's very tasty. I like to add chocolate flavor of protein in it every time I eat. I love this one. Hey guys, if you love this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and let me know what type of videos you want to watch on this channel. Till the time we meet again, Prabh Sandhu, certified trainer. Thank you.